Keeping tabs on your money has never been easier than with the Natwest mobile app, especially when it comes to your statements. First, open your Natwest app and log in securely using your usual method, whether that's your fingerprint, face recognition, or your memorable information. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main account overview. To view a specific account statement, simply tap on the account you wish to access. On the account details screen, look for an option that says Statements or View Statements. This is usually found in a menu or as a direct button on the page. Tap on it. Here you'll see a list of your past statements, usually organized by month. You can scroll through to find the specific statement you're looking for. Tap on the statement you want to review. The app will then display the statement directly on your screen, allowing you to browse through all your transactions and account activity from that period. If you need a copy for your records, look for an option to download or save the statement. This will typically save it as a PDF file to your phone. Accessing your statements on the Natwest app is a quick and convenient way to stay on top of your finances, helping you understand spending habits and track your financial progress. Stay informed, stay in control.